It's time for another episode of the Tony-winning segment, Career Enders. Who do we have today, announcer?
Tonight's guest is Carrot Top.
Oh!
Thanks for having me. Oh, thanks, Dave.
All right.
Everybody. What a hot crowd.
Thank you.
Hot crowd.
Thank you for joining us, Mr. Top.
Thank you, Mrs. Spade. Thank you for having me on the show.
So, quick question. What do you think about this new female James Bond?
I think women already have a license to kill. It's called the Me Too movement. You all know.
Oh.
No? Is that bad?
Thank you. That'll be all. That's all we needed to hear.
I brought a whole thing.
Nope, that's good. That's all we
What
wanted.
the? Seriously?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Thanks, though.
What the?
We just needed.
God damn, the show is a bitch. The show is being a. I brought like 300 props in here. I was all the way from Vegas.
All right, cut him off. He's on the mic. Listen, we got a lot of letters about the shrimps thing I did yesterday.
Wait.
so
God damn it.
No.
I gotta do it. I got my people. These are my people.
All right, you get two jokes.
I flew. Okay, good. Okay, this is a pacifier for an ugly baby. Go right there. And we're starting slow. Take it easy. That was the Pee Wee Herman doll. That was great. Oh no, shit! Sorry.
Keep going. You got the crowd.
I made a shake weight so it wouldn't go off when you're working out. It's kind of weird. But wait. I have one for Asian guys too. Look, the Asian one.
That was great. Thank you, Carrot Top.
I got more.
Okay.
The piggy bank for gay guys. Goes right in the butt. I got this is the plate. It's the plate when you go to grandma's and you get mom food. I got all kinds. Oh, the boot with a kickstand. That way you don't fall down. That just looks funny. I don't know what it is. That's got an ice tray with a level. Let's spill the water. I mean, look at that.